How to use Forex.com's Trading Central tools. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now over here in the mobile app, if you search for it, you wouldn't find any options for Trading Central. If you go to your browser and search for Trading Central by Forex.com, here you'll see the official website of Forex.com. Tap on this. So what is Trading Central? Trading Central is basically a research portal that uses technical analysis in order to scan the markets, and it finds you the actionable trade ideas by saving your precious time. So here you'll find expert-driven technical analysis and trade setups. You can use the technical insight provided by the Trading Central, which gives you automated analysis for Forex pairs, stocks, and indices. You'll see trend direction, support levels, and they are all based on the real-time technical signals. You can even explore the chart patterns. Trading Central scans for the live chart patterns like triangles, head and shoulders, and breakouts. You can use this to spot high-probability trade setups directly from your Forex.com chart. So you can combine the Trading Central tools with your strategy. So that's how you can use Forex.com's Trading Central tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.